Okay, so for the think about it, I chose a question that a lot of us got wrong on the weekly quiz last week. So I just wanted to clear it up. We have a system of equations and we have two parallel lines. Now, the definition of the solution is going to be the point where the two lines cross. Okay? If the lines are never crossing, then there's no solution. So a lot of people put infinite solutions. Excuse me, I don't have my pencil right now, so it's sloppy. It's not infinite solutions. Infinite solutions is when it's one line right on top of the other. If they're parallel and they never touch, that means there's no solution. So that's it for the think about it. We're going to move into solving systems with real world situations. So now that we've learned how to do it, we're going to start digging into, well, why would you ever need to solve a system of equations? So we have 4 practice problems and then an exit ticket for this lesson.